Hello, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. In this class, we are going to discuss with another interesting topic, that is infertility. We see what is infertility, what are all the causes, risk factors, and then diagnostic evaluations, and also treatment, and also present technologies for to establish this one, infertility. We'll see first what is infertility. Here it is one of the disease of reproductive system. Here it is defined by the infertility is a failure to achieve a clinical pregnancy after 12 months or more regular or unprotected sexual intercourse. Okay, we see infertility. It is a disease of reproductive system. And it defined by failure to achieve clinical pregnancy after 12 months or more. After 12 months or more regular or unprotected sexual intercourse. In other way, we can define it as another one definition is there, that is infertility is inability of a sexually active non-contraceptive couples to achieve pregnancy in 1 year. This is what we got infertility. Here again types are there. Here we can see the types, that is primary and secondary. Primary infertility. We see what is primary infertility. Here there are two types. So one is primary and the one is a secondary. First we'll see the primary infertility. What do you mean by primary infertility? Here it is refers to the couple who have not become pregnant after 1 year of having sexual intercourse without using any contraceptive methods. That is called primary infertility. Okay, we'll see. It refers to the couple who have not become pregnant after 1 year of having sex without using contraceptive method. Contraceptive method. This is what we got primary infertility. Next Next we'll see the secondary infertility. Secondary infertility. Here, secondary infertility refers to the couple. It refers to the couple who have been able to get pregnant at least once and now are unable. This is called secondary infertility. These are the types of infertility. Next we'll see the causes for infertility. First we'll see the male causes. Under that one, first one is the low sperm count. That is less than 15 million. And then low sperm mobility. And then here, and also abnormal sperm. That is unusual shape. That is abnormal sperm. And then testicular infection. And then smoking can be a cause. And then hormonal imbalance. Here there will be the deficiency of testosterone. And then also some drugs can decrease the sperm count. Like steroids, cocaine, chemotherapy. These are the main causes for causing infertility. Okay, next we'll see the causes, that is female causes. First, there will be the ovulation problem. Problem in the monthly cycle. Problem in menstrual cycle. Implantation failure. Hormonal imbalance, smoking, and then hyperprolactinemia, and then polycystic ovarian syndrome. Polycystic ovarian syndrome can also be the cause for infertility. And then some other medications can affect the fertility of a woman, like NSAIDs. It is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and also radiation therapy, chemotherapy can affect the fertility. In women. These are the female causes for infertility. Next we'll see the diagnostic evaluations. First of all, there is the main important thing in this infertility is semen analysis. Semen analysis has to be done. Here pH that is 7.2 to 7.8 is a normal, and then amount that is less than 2 ml, and then normal count that is less than 20 million per ml. This is the normal. 7 analysis, this is the pH, amount and the count is normal. And then checks the hormone level. Check the hormone level. Chemistry is needed. Laparoscopy. Study of ovulation. Study of ovulation, and then endometrium biopsy is needed. Endometrial biopsy. Endometrial biopsy has to be done. These are the diagnostic evaluations for the infertility. Next, we'll see the treatment or management. First, we'll see the medical management. Here, clomiphene citrate can be given, that is going to help for the ovulation. And then next, bromocriptine is going to inhibit the prolactin level, prolactin production. And then metformin can be used if there is no effect from this clomiphene citrate. That time metformin can be suggested, can be used. And then human menopausal gonadotrophy. This contains FSH and LH. Women do not ovulate because fault in the pituitary gland. This is about the medical management. Next, we will see the surgical management. Here, tubal surgery can be performed. Tubal surgery. If any problem in the fallopian tube, they are going to correct that one through the surgery, that is tubal surgery. And then endometriosis. Endometriosis is nothing but if there is a problem in the endometrium, that time they are going to correct through the surgery, that is called endometriosis. If this is not effective, other reproductive technologies, that is intrauterine insemination. Intrauterine insemination. Here, in this technique, they are going to intrauterine insemination is nothing but at the time of ovulation, they are going to insert a fine catheter through the cervix into the uterus to place the sperm directly in the uterus. Here this sperm is washed with the fluid, and then best specimens are selected. That is intrauterine insemination. And then another one technique is there, that is in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization. Here in vitro fertilization is nothing but a fertilization takes place outside the body. In this technique, they are going to take the sperm, and then they are going to keep it with the unfertilized eggs in a petri dish. The dish is called petri dish, where fertilization takes place. After that, embryo is inserted directly placed in the uterus to begin a pregnancy. That is all about the other technologies, that is intrauterine insemination as well as in vitro fertilization. This is all what about the clear explanation about the infertility. I hope you all are very clear with the topic infertility. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the more informative content. Thank you for watching.